itu clear coat lapis pertama. Ini warnanya biru lembayung gold, tapi apa ya, ini warna baru special effect, cuman nggak tahu nama warnanya karena terinspirasi sama warna stiker yang udah nempel di Genio. Lembayungnya gold, warna dasarnya biru muda kayak. Posisi nyemprot kecebelan gadah.
Let me get my head straight, I need a drink of water. It's been days I've had a headache. Don't wanna wake up one day, feel like I regret things. I want my story just to have a happy ending. And I don't got a plan B, a plan A's all I need. Took the ships from the sea and burnt them all, no retreat. It's kill or get, eat, and get buried with the seeds. But that makes me feel free, hella focused on my dreams. I got habits, they're established. I'm doing things a bit manic, but I can handle it. Juggle this, juggle that. Struggle here, lose some cash. Win and lose, make it back. You can choose your own path. Nothing good comes fast, nothing fast ever lasts. So I'll be patient but attack every day like it's my last. Push the pedal to the gas, burn the fuel that I have. Start a fire, light a match. I ain't never looking back. So plant hard in your feet. There's no retreat. Burn the boats on the shore till they're buried underneath. There ain't no going back. Forget the past out of desperation. All the people born who can last. There's no retreat, but believe you got it in you. You can do anything that you think that you need. Don't be scared, go succeed. The only people who compete are the ones who don't retreat. Feel unstoppable and responsible to try to make all the impossible go flip to probable. This life is not something that's optional. It's got its obstacles, but it's a gift. So don't miss out on your chance to be phenomenal. Push all the chips in. I take risks cause risky wins. I take it straight to the chin. Make it right back up again. I don't lose, I always win. Cause any loss is a lesson. I got a different engine. Wanna go, I'll go again. I'm on the chase while they running. Call the plays that are coming. Turn a profit out of nothing. Like a prophet up and coming. Taking shots, I'm always gunning. When I gamble, never bluffing.
Untuk proses clear coat ini saya biasanya blawur sih, pokoknya hobos gitu dulu, nggak langsung tebal. Itu tak kasih jeda sekitar 10-15 detik, baru total menyeluruh rata. Ini sudah terhitung 15 detik. Kita semprot secara merata. geser sebelah kanan. Ini nanti sudah finish dan kita tunggu keesokan harinya untuk lapis kedua clear coat. Ini nanti ya tunggu aja hasil jadinya seperti apa. Ini pokoknya warnanya cong habis. Jadi proses clear coat untuk finishing lapis pertama sudah selesai. Kita masukkan ke oven ya. Kurang lebih besok akan kita lapis kedua. Kemudian kita kabari saya duwe wis rampung bayaran nanti seperti apa hasil jadinya. Tonton terus, jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe. Oke.
To make this our world, gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my...
Jadi di hari berikutnya ini kita proses clear coat. Itu kita main full coat. Jadi ini kita lapis layer kedua. Ini sudah siap semua, tinggal penyemprotannya aja. Jadi biar untuk apa sebenarnya biar lebih lembut dan mengkilap lagi. Kita clear pakai yang berbanding 2:1 yang KS. Jadi teksturnya nanti bisa keras juga awet. Langsung aja kita eksekusi.
You just gotta wanna keep chasing, put through everything you're facing. Keep up with the pace and adrenaline rush starts racing. Get through all the things you hate and don't let the others in charge of your dreams. They just don't know what it takes to be seen. You see the ship take control of your team, and if you're alone then a one-man army. So you better be starving, and you better be carving. Through the hate keep marching, and every day keep charging ahead till you get what you want.
Kita masukkan ke mesin pemanas pitik namanya ya, buat angkem pitik ya di sini nih.
Time to take the red pill to make this our world. Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill. We never give up, no we never sit still. It's time to stand up, time to take the red pill to make this our world. Gonna die on this hill. Be ready to fight and be ready to kill.
take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.